Ride up and down here one more time and call the police on you.
Alright.
Okay? Get the hell out of here. Tell your son or whoever that is to go with you.
Alright.
Call the police on you.
That sounds good.
Get out. Huh? Go disturb another neighborhood. I live right over here. Really? Don't fuck with me, okay? Don't fuck with me. Are you gonna see me burn my engine?
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many ops are driven. There's no way that you make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't hold will you fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these ops, they're not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut them door on all you poor haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud.
Squirrel! Squirrel up there!
Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fight back?
I mean, who says you can't jump a street back?
Fight back. Stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these ops, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut them door on all you poor haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud. You better shut your mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fight back?
What you doing? Huh? What? You want to see me? Yeah? Huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Alright everyone, me and Lobo taking a ride in the Jeep here. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to me for help supporting my channel. I know that I was doing this video for 25 subscribers, and that's not much, and I know that's not much, but to me that's a lot. I've worked really hard on these videos that I've done, and I've taken a lot of time out on my weekends to do this or whatever, and I enjoy it so much, and I just want to thank everyone so entirely much for that. And the last time I checked, I had 31 subscribers. That's a lot to me. I mean, I know there's people out there who have 800,000 subscribers, but 31 subscribers on the videos that I already have, like that's just amazing. And I want to thank each and every one of you, friends and people I've never even met before, and the people I haven't met, I hope I meet you one day. And friends, y'all are my friends. That's why y'all support me, and I appreciate that so much. What's going on, guys? I hope you have a wonderful day. Please, I worked very hard on this video that you're watching, that you just got done watching. So please like it for me. Please help me grow my channel. Subscribe to me. Help me get my channel out there. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. If you get the chance, go out and do something adventurous. And I will see you next time. Peace. Lobo thanks you too. Lobo, hey, yeah?
That's how I roll. That's how